Hello everyone, welcome to kind of update on TeeCee. Kind of not an update, kind of a disaster to be honest with you. Had a bit of an issue with TeeCee. I was driving a friend, moving some stuff from her house, and on the way back encountered a problem. So I'll put in some video now. Come on TeeCee, don't fail me now. Yeah, something's rubbing. Something's hanging off the car, I can feel it. There you go. To do the wheels. Oh my God. Well, welcome back, and as you can see, that's the issue. I'm going to jack up the car now, and then you can actually see how much wobble there is in the wheel. Now, I have looked at the Haynes manual, and it tells me you need to remove the half shaft to get to the bearing. Problem is, I don't have room. As you can see, there's a brick wall on either side of the garage, so that's not going to happen, not here at least. So the problem is, I need to find a workshop where I've got lifters so I can get the car off the ground and do it that way, or change the axle entirely. Now, I can't remember for the life of me what prop shaft I have in this car. I think it has a flat end. I don't think it has a hole in the end. I think the prop shaft from the other engine has it, but I don't think that prop shaft would be any good. Apart from it's got a two-piece, but at least I think it is. Could be wrong. I do forget these things. Unless this is the one that's got two-piece. Can't remember. I'm going to have to do some checking. Anyway, let's get this thing off the ground and I'll show you what the problem is. Yeah, currently recording. Put this back on my bump. Log in. Right, okay. Yeah, just doing a bit of tidying up in the back. That's not really, important. Anyway, what is important, I have just jacked up. There you can see it. TeeCee is on his axle stands. Reason being, due to what I mentioned before. In the previous GoPro section, you would have seen a problem. So let's have a closer look, but I won't go too deeply into it. Right, this is not too easy to do, I'm afraid. Take keys out of my pocket because that's the last thing I want to really sit on. Right, okay, so we have a wheel, and here's the problem. Now, I'm just going to take the handbrake off. Ah, I can't. One moment. What am I doing? Taking the keys off. Oh, locking the car up before I do this. So, oh, come on. Out you come. There we go. Take it out of gear. Okay, so it's not going to go anywhere. He's in a garage and he's facing forward and leaning against two tyres, so he's not going to go anywhere. Right, let's get down here again. Now, I want to get that out of there. I don't have my toolbox with me, so let's try and figure out a way of doing it. So it's something I'm curious about. I think that the wheel bearing has gone, and that means if the wheel bearing's gone, it means get the half shaft out like I mentioned before. Okay. Oh, hang on. The wheel nuts are loose. Why are my wheel nuts loose? That makes no sense at all. Oh my God, am I stupid? I think I might be. I've just undone these with my fingers. What the hell? That one's too tight. I can't... Hang on, I might have a tool in the Rover. Let's have a look. I think I might be stupid. Keys. Need the keys. Let's close the boot. Get the keys for the Rover. What's the chances that the wheel nuts are the same size? Negatory. I have no tools up here, which means I can't undo anything. I have no tools in that toolbox. How frustrating. Well, can I get down the side of the car? Is there anything here I can use? Stop it. Like, I know you're angry, piece of Rover. Don't take it out on me. Oi! Oi! Stay. Need a pair of grips, that's what I need. No. No grips. I need my socket set. That's what I need. Yeah, right, okay. Yeah, let's go back to the house and see if we can figure this out. Now, I may be wrong, but I think I've figured out why the problem occurred. Now, I drove the car home just over a month ago. I think it was just over a month ago. It could have been 2. You know, I do forget these things. Now, to my memory, yes, I haven't got a regular thing tightening up the rear wheel. I think due to my idiocy, yes. Don't worry, I haven't got this torque wrench set up like a torque wrench, it's just set up like a socket. There is literally no setting on it for any kind of strength at all, so let's try and do that a bit more with my fingers. Moral of the story is, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to dub your wheel nuts, because they will come loose, they will come undone, and your wheel will fall off. Luckily, my wheels didn't fall off, but they almost did. I don't know what you're looking at, but seeing as I don't have a correct wheel brace at the moment, I'm going to have to get one. Oh, need to adjust the handbrake again. Whoa, that is really easy to turn with the handbrake on. Maybe I need to pull it up a bit harder. There we go, one more notch. It's not easy to get in and out of this car. Pardon me. Okay. So, you don't want to put too much on your wheel nuts, or lug nuts if you're in a different part of the world. You don't put too much pressure on these. Anyway, what I thought was a massive problem isn't. So it's not a wheel bearing, because I'm stupid. Literally wheel nuts. So I'm going to go all the way around the car, get off these covers, and I'm going to check all my wheel nuts because I'm stupid. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.